Today's spotlight isn't solely on female centric films, it's about individual performances, especially by heroines who have excelled in robust female roles in a hero dominated cinema. These actors have displayed exceptional brilliance in their respective roles and films. Join us for this year's roundtable as we engage in an intriguing conversation with these talents who have truly stood out from the crowd. To begin with, rounding up 2023, this year, like watching so many movies as a journalist, film critic, so this year I had a lot of discussions. It was nice to discuss about the heroine, but isn't it interesting when somebody is noted, especially heroines, when they are noted and they are discussed about the character. Actually, I would like to begin with Rukmini. I always remember where you said me last time. Shada, a fan actually messaged me on Instagram saying, "Thank you for being an actor." But what how did what is your contribution, how did you strike a chord with the audience with your role?
It's a good question. I think oftentimes it emerges from the writing itself. All you can do is add to the writing. I'm not sure that I can take so much credit for it, honestly. For the role of Priya, it's a mystery to me as well, if I'm honest. I think that when a character is written well and written with honesty, and it's not vilified, the director or the writer is not judging that character in any particular manner, then you allow yourself to add whatever you can within that skeleton that already exists. You add whatever you can to it. So I'm not sure how exactly Priya struck a chord with so many people.
It's not also about even Banadariyalin in role na ishtapattiದ್ದು.
Haudu, yeah. And I think again that speaks for the writing itself. When a character is written with that kind of affection and written with that kind of love and that kind of promise, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜೀವ ತುಂಬಿಸೋದು ಸುಲಭ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ನಂಬಿಕೆ. I think when it's already given that kind of platform, you are able to push it. Where I guess we're only as good as the characters that have been written. Is in my experience so far.
Meghna, Tatsama Tadbhava is a comeback film. How fulfilling was the character for you? Because it was a different portrayal as I have seen Meghna, and this was a different film for you actually.
This was a challenge in many ways. It was not just like a comeback film and I have to give my 100% Allah. This character had me emotionally drained at many points while I was shooting. Even when I heard the story, there were many things I could connect to. The minute Vishal said she's pregnant, and the minute she said, okay, this happens in her life, etc., etc. It's like, okay, connect ಆಗ್ತದೆ. How will I be able to play this character anta? So that was, I was a little taken aback initially when I heard the story. But E film, particularly this, the character of Arika and Akira, which I played, I did not, look at it like how I would do with my other films. This it got special attention from me, and I had to give in more than my 100% because I'm like somewhere between my personal and professional life. Nan character play madavaga, I had to one tara, that thin line I was threading. Like I did not want to break, but at the same time I had to hold myself together. So as Rukmini said, it is also about the characters written. So Vishal, when he wrote Akira and Arika, he had his concept like proper seal ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. This is exactly how she should be, and which made it easier for me to go on set and play those two different parts. So yeah, I think
Coming to Milan, I'm sure it was challenging, but what aspects of the portrayal, because you had to be dazed but still what you're saying, and that's something I liked. So how was it to play this role in Kausalya Suprajara?
ನನಗೆ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕೆಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಯೂಶಲಿ ಗ್ರೇ ಶೇಡ್ ಪಾತ್ರಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
because there's so much love I received for Nidhi's character over 2 films. And suddenly I have to play grey shade ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅದೊಂದು ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, because it is not even grey. It can be taken a negative ಇದು. Though there was
It's a part of the
justification.
society.
Yeah, it is. But ನನಗೆ ನಾನು ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕುಡಿಯೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಶಶಾಂಕ್ ಸರ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಬಹುತೇಕ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಜನ ಪುಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ತರ ಪಾತ್ರಗಳನ್ನ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಸರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಟುಕ್ ಮಂತ್ 2 months, ದೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾತ್ರಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಗೆ ತಲೆಲಿತ್ತು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಓವರ್ ದ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದೊಂಥರ ಹೆಂಗಾಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಆ ತರ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇರಿಟೇಟ್ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ಹಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಯುಲ್ ಬಿ ಡ್ರಂಕ್. ಅದ್ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ರೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ನ್ಯೂ ದರ್ಸ್ ಅ ಥಿನ್ ಲೈನ್, ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಪ್ಲೇ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಪಾತ್ರ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕುಡಂಟ್ ಸೇ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೆಡ್, ಎಷ್ಟ್ ದಿನ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪಾತ್ರನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಟು ಇಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಅಪ್ರಿಶಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದಟ್, ನನಗೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ದೆನ್ ಐ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೈ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಂಗ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಪ್ಲೇ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನೈಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ ಬೇಗ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್. ನನಗೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಬಂದು ಇವಳು ಅಮೃತ ಲವ್ ಮಾಕ್ಟೇಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜೋ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಅವಳು ಅದನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕನ್ವಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಬೈಯೋರೊಳಗೆ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದಾಗ. ಬಟ್ ನನಗೇನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ನಾವ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಧಂಬರ್ಧ ಮನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಸೇಫ್ ತರ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ 100%. ಅದನ್ನ ಅಮೃತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು. ಐ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಹರ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ದ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್. ನಾನು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀನಿ.
I find that negative. I didn't find your character negative. Both Toby and pivotal role in Saptasagara, ಆಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ side B, ಅದು ವೆರಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. But you had 2 distinct roles. But how was this transition between 2 characters? Because simultaneous ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
Andre, I was shooting for Sapta already, and then Toby came, and then again I had to go back to Sapta shoot. Hangaito. So, ಎರಡು character, like both of them said, when it is written well, ನೀವು ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಟನ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಏನೇನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಲೇಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ವಿತ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್, ವಿತ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಯು ಹಾಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಇಸ್ ಡನ್. Later, what you can bring to the table as an actor or as an artist, adana you just have to brainstorm. Like you should see, okay, now Jenny play madbekadre, this is the background that she comes from. These are the, emotionally ee tara irtale anta ella, when if I've given that instruction. So there is a certain blueprint that I have with respect to Jenny. And when it comes to Surabhi, like there are certain things that she does, the certain way she smiles and everything. So ad set agirbekadre automatically I don't know what happens inside me. I don't know, I've never tried to decode it, but eventually when I get into this set, automatically I'm like, I know what Jenny should do. Like I know what I am expected to do, at least. And ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸುರಭಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ I know, like ಅದು ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದು ಆವರಿಸ್ಕೊಳತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ತರ. So I actually feel that, like ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆ ವೈಬ್, that environment, the people around, the co-actors, illi alli eradunu adu, I think that led me to do these characters, and these people made it swalpa easy for me. That
Everyone were talking about your role in Toby, but when came to Surabhi, they all got attracted. They shifted automatically. Like illa avaru chena madidale anta. No, I remember some people who didn't know much about you, they started talking about it. I told you, in fact, they started talking about you, saying, "La, your character is ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, acting, go, like."
now people are like,
they've gone back to see what all other works I've done, and they're like, oh, you've done this and that. And I feel happy that they're actually taking time to go back and see what I've done. So yeah, that's khushi agat.
While I like most of you have credited the writer for whatever your characters, but how have heroines, like in generally, you have managed to carve your own space and making contributions noteworthy anta anspodi. If you want to, your opinion about it.
Andre, I would definitely.
Especially, sorry to because we are talking about female characters, strong female characters. So this comes like carving your own niche in a male dominated films. That is important.
It again goes back to what is written for you. So Kelusati enagutte, like amazing characters will be written for you, and you would have even shot for it. You would have given your more than 200-300% to the character, but editing table mein enagutte gotagala once the film comes.
The question, like I always think there's so much on the table, and also you would have done so many scenes. So
Yeah,
I know miss agide.
that happened to me in a very big film. So I'm like, and this was when I was pretty, if you can consider it, popular. Like people knew, okay Meghna Raj cinema lidare. Naan elrunu karkondu og cinema kootidini. I'm like, where am I in the film? I'm like, where am I? So I'm sure you know which film I'm talking about. But end of the day, I think some things are not in your control, But that is why a Tatsama Tadbhava or the film I'm doing now, Amartha, will differ, because I'm, like I've seen so many ups and downs over the years. I've seen the way films are made. I've literally, this journey has also made me mature mentally in a way where the way I approach to a film, and now I was sitting and talking to Panna about this. I'm like, I like the space I am in now where I can call the shots, So, and it is still very difficult to make your presence felt in a male-dominated industry. It is very difficult unless you have a team who is willing to, uplift you and give you that kind of credit for what you have done. So that happens, and you can't do it alone. Obbar kaila sadhya illa. You need a team. You really need a team. That's what I feel.
So for you could make a mark, especially with Sapta. You had that equal importance. You think?
I did, and again, I have to, as Meghna just said, I have to tack on to that and say that is only possible with the support of the team. So, ನಮ್ಮ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾಂಟ್ ಸೈಜ್, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಮಂತ್ ಅವಾಗ. ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ದ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಲೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್. ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಸ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್. You need people to support you in that manner. They can choose to support you, or they can choose to stick to what is typically done, and that's really up to them. It's an internal choice that's made. But if the team uplifts you like that, then you have a choice. I mean, you have a chance to make that kind of impact. So you can do as much as you want in your performance, but if they choose to cut it out in the edit, you don't really have too much control over that.
I feel everything boils down to your success. Films doing well, yakandre no matter how well you've performed in a film, cinema popular agಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, cinema ಗೆಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ತಲುಪಲ್ಲ, and now as actors popular ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So people will not even know about the film. Like as rightly said Chaitra, like I fell in love with Jenny. But ಇವಾಗ ಜೆನ್ನಿನ ನೋಡಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗೋಳು ಕೆಲಸ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ, that's because they've liked her performing in the film, because that's become popular.
Right.
ಅವಳು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸಿನಿಮಾಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾಳೆ, ಬಟ್ ಜನ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸಿನಿಮಾನ.
Right.
So it's all about success, market, what is selling. Andre I will never go back and say male domination, etc., because we all know how it is working.
Right.
We all know how tickets are selling. So ನನಗೆ I personally feel ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಇವನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್. ಬಟ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ರೈಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರದ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಚಾನ್ಸ್. ಬರಿಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. right? So ನಮ್ಗದ್ ಸಿಗೋದು of course it's luck. I feel if a role comes to you which is beautiful, like all of us here, I'm sure we have played beautiful roles, ಅದು luck ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದ್ ನಮ್ ಕೆಲಸ ನೋಡಿ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
It also depends on how you begin your career.
True, and ivaga what they said, like the popularity of the film, adella like they have to as our even ecosystem alli adan ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು like we have to come equality maintain ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು with whatever opportunities that we are getting. But ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ದೆ, like let's say Toby and Saptasagara are my biggest films. Ivaga nange alli tankanu I was choosing similar character kashta irodu. I still took up avaga, like she said, ಅದು ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಆದಾಗ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅದು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಲಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೇಮ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಇಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಆರ್ ಹೂ ಯು ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು like how I've made my mark is ಆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ ಆನೆಸ್ಟಿ ಈ ಸಪ್ತಾಹ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ಆನೆಸ್ಟಿ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮನಿ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ there was no difference in my approach to my work.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ as actors ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ 100% ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. We want to be recognized, appreciated. ಅದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
So ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು, I think all of us would have done the same work, and that is our our way of making our this thing. So if someone says Meghna aurna ee film ee character hakolana, it is because of all the films that she's done, and she's done a great job. If Milana or Rukmini aurna karitare andre because of the characters. I always believe in work getting us work. Our popularity eno irli, but aur chanage madalla andre, no matter how pretty she is, nobody wants a bad actor in their film.
There's other case where you have an excellent role, you have played it extremely well, cinema ಗೆಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, it's gone. It's gone for a toss. ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, it's just over. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗೆಲುವು ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಶುಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್, your role. So ನಮಗ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, when your film wins and you're popular, you have more options to choose from. ಸೊ ನೀವ್ ಒಂದ್ 10 ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ ನಾವ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಅದು ಇಲ್ದಿದ್ದಾಗ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ದಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋದಾ, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್, ಹೌ ಟು ಚೂಸ್, ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್.
Amidst all this, there's also challenging stereotypes and reshaping perceptions of women roles with each project. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ರನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮಿಲ್ ಹೀರೋ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್. Even directors approach you with the same roles. So how do you?
Somehow, Sharda, I don't know. I've never been given a run of the mill film. I've always wanted to do something. Yeah, this is my dream role, to play that bubbly girl in the film. I want to play that cute, bubbly, and wear beautiful costumes, go to Switzerland, sing a song, come back, then the hero fights with your father and mother. Yeah, I've always wanted to do films like that. Nan career span al atara bande illa. I don't know why. So I don't know if that stereotype annodu it applies to me, but I've never been able to play that character. That's my dream role. That is my dream role. I'm being very honest.
Because all directors, they want to perform Meghna. Will you?
Yeah, I mean, I will perform Meghna,
which is good, which is great.
I'm sure ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಆ ಕಥೆ ಏನೋ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲ, you wouldn't have chosen.
It's never come. It's never come, and I'm not, like
after this interview.
It's a compliment.
I want to do films like that.
But ಇವಾಗ ಇದೇ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಇದೇ ತರ ಕಾಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಾಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್, and it's changing for good.
Yeah, I know. Now it change ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. Again, people won't give me those films. It's like I've never been able to.
But andre the percentage of making such films, I feel, has come down, honestly.
Definitely come down.
Yes.
But I don't know if I really would want to do something like that. Also because probably I've been brought up in a filmy background. I like that larger than life, that fantasy, that that color and everything on screen, being a little melodramatic. So I like that. But Maybe that's my personal opinion, Gotilla, but that's what I like. And I still feel cinema, yellow one kade, little it has to be larger than life.
ಆ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಪ್ರಿಯನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬಾನದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ she did. So that was like a full contrast.
Yeah, that was fun to have that
From
kind
Birbal,
of.
I think she's lucky not
Yeah,
to be there.
Again, it's the choices that you are approached with. You only have a choice insofar as you choose a role and sign a contract. Adadmel, how it's portrayed, whether you understand that character, how that character is portrayed, how directors in their previous work, how they have portrayed their female characters, adella nodkondu you make this decision, and then you have that trust. You have that equation with your director where you're like, and at the end of the day, I also feel like avaru enadru cut madidre, it's all in the service of the story. Because when I take on a role, I never look at it in isolation because no one else is looking at it in isolation. So why should I? And if anything of mine goes, it is in service of the story, which is what we are all working for. Paragila. It's fine. At the end of the day, it has to make sense.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಇನ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಹೇಮಂತ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ರಿಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಡೀಟೇಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಬ್ರು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬೂನ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬಬ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಅನದರ್.
It's very easy to get stereotyped. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ I always thought it was a cliche. ನಿಜ ಅದೇ ತರ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ, ಬಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದೇ ತರ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಮೈ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಶೋರ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಅಪ್. ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್. at least ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಫಿಲ್ಮೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ at least you can try different.
I think some of you are exceptional, but whomever I call or I talk to, like I'm getting the same old characters. That's why I'm not doing.
Because you're calling the same people. You should call different people now. You've been calling them only all these years. Change.
Like they say choosy, when they say like why have you been choosy and they'll only say no, I've been getting the same characters, I don't want to be. But in general, today, how is the audience or the industry's perspective about women roles? How do they respond? Like unlike the hero is being selected, then automatically when heroine comes, she does the role and all, that's over. Instead they talk like, can she pull off the character? They discuss about the heroine and all that. Even the audience, the way they look at you as an actor today has changed.
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗರ್ ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಇರೋ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಗೆದ್ದಿದೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ಜಾನರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಇವಾಗ ಲೈಕ್ KGF ಅಂತ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾತ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ದ ಹೋಲ್ KGF ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ರಾಕಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ ಈಗ ಸಪ್ತ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮನು ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಯಾ. ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಪರ್ಸನಲಿ ಐ ಫೀಲ್ ಕಥೆಲೂ ಆತರ ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಮಿನೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಪಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Even
It always works better.
Always audience ಅವನು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ವೆರಿ ರೇರ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಫಿಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಪಾತ್ರ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೈಸ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ a lot of the audience responses I've been getting, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ the kind of responses you get are like ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ, like it's that kind of thing. ಇವಾಗ people are like ಒಂದು ಸೀನ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಅಳು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಸೊ I'm not opposed to hearing that I'm cute. I like it. But when someone appreciates the work that you've put in, you're like, oh okay, ಅದು ನಾವ್ ಹೆಂಗೋ ತಲುಪಿಸಿದೀವಿ ಜನರಿಗೆ. ಲೈಕ್ the work that I've done, because the cutest you can give that to the makeup artist and the designer. Like it's not really me.
Yeah, it was always been like that. Especially in Kannada, we've had many female superstars, and I think then came a decade where there were mass films and commercial films. So avaga concentration shift aitu and everything was like formula films hinge irbeku. So the kind of films I wanted to do. So
stressing on it, sure you'll get
it. Please. So I feel of late, especially now, audience are open to watching women play amazing characters again. No, it's not like it was never there. as
ಇದೆ
Milana
ಇಟ್ಸ್
said.
ಆನ್ ಅಂಡ್
It is
ಆಫ್ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ
always
ಒಂದ್
there.
ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ತರ ಇವಾಗ
Yeah.
ಒಂದ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಗೆದ್ದಾಗ
ಅದು
film
ಹತ್ತು
makers
ವರ್ಷ ಒಂದ್
ಅದೇ
10 ವರ್ಷ
ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ.
ಅದು that will be there. It's like now we are in a place and in a mindset where ನಾವ್ ಏನೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಒಂದ್ ಸತಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ದೇ ಲೈಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ದೇ ಲೈಕ್ ಓಕೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ದಿಸ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ನೌ. So I think that scope has also come because audience have also come out of the shells and yeah, so they're coming and they're like okay sorry inta cinema nodtane antivi, let's try something else anta.
And the way they've appreciated our works also. Like side A bandaga, like Rakshit, you're great, but like Priya, wow, fantastic. The appreciation that they got. Side B bandaga, Rakshit, you're amazing, but Priya and Surabhi stole the show. Anta heldaga, it's nice. I mean, those compliments actually, it's like a confidence booster. It's like you're appreciating our work.
But that did happen when I watched Saptasagara. Nange, of course, Rakshit has done amazingly well, but I could not look at anybody except for Rukmini.
Right.
I'm like, Vishal keeps teasing me. He's like, you're obsessed with Rukmini anta. I'm like, I'm sorry. I mean, who can look so beautiful, act so well, and like keep the audience's attention for such a long time? She's done a fab job in the film. So I think again, it's not just the writer, but you have also done justice to what is written. So it's a give and take. I would think it's a give and take.
It is also important the response you get from the industry folks also. So when you hear from the other directors or actors calling like you did now, it's nice. So how is it like? Is it something different from the audience response when the industry folks talk to you and discuss about your role?
I think so. There is a difference because ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅವರು ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಆ ಪರದೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟಿರತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಅನ್ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ ವಾಚಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ವಿ ಡೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲಿ ಟು ಹೌ ವಿಜುವಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ, ಆಡಿಯೋ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು, what possibly could they have cut and kept. So everything we see. So I think when the compliment comes from another actor or from anybody from the industry, they would have dissected the entire thing and then given the compliment, is what I personally feel.
No, 100%. And I had to add to that. I think for me that compliment becomes 100-fold when it comes from another heroine, because andre avrige when an audience watches the film, they're watching it, their involvement is in the story, their involvement is in the character and everything. When it comes from another actor, they understand it from the perspective of an artist who's put in all this work and understood the story, dynamic, framing, all of that kind of thing. When it comes from another heroine, I think they have a particular understanding of how hard it is to get roles like that, so ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಪಾತ್ರ ಸಿಗಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಥವಾ ನಾವೇ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಥವಾ ವಿ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಸೋ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದಟ್ ರೋಲ್. ಅದ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೇರ್ ಟು ವೇರ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಷ್ಟ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಗೆದ್ದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳೋವರೆಗೂ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್, ವಿ ವುಡ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್.
I remember ಇವಾಗ ಟೋಬಿ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ರುಕ್ಮಿಣಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಿಲನ ಅವ್ರು ಇಬ್ರು like they did not just say ಸಿನಿಮಾ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ. ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸೀನ್ ಶಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಸೀನ್ ವೇರ್ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಿಲನ ಅವರು ಆ ಸೀನ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಸಕ್ಕತ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು, ಲೈಕ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಪುಲ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶೋರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಶಿ ನೋಸ್ ವೇರ್ I've put in what, and that's why she's like ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅದು ಸಕಲಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ like that is more ಒಂಥರ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡೇಷನ್ from a technical aspect. It's like these people are in the business and they've observed something. Adu it's another kind of happiness is bandaga. Audience bandaga, of course they're like very unbiased. Or again
Krishna premiere al Toby nodi the next day matte hogi we watched Toby,
right?
So I'm sure Krishna was watching it from a technical point of view.
Yes,
because he really wanted me to watch the film and I fell in love with Raj and Jenny's.
Thank you.
Traditionally, the success of film industry is linked to box office numbers. But do you think credit is given only to the heroes or the whole film? But usually you expect like, okay, their name added, like, Rakshit and Rukmini, contributed to this box office numbers. ಆ ಥರ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Like in general, you say that the credit is given to a heroine for the box office numbers, for the collections.
ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ಲೇಡ್, ನಮಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ.
Yeah.
ಈಗ ನಮ್ದೇನು ಇಲ್ದಲೆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಗೆದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡು, ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈನ್. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಐ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ಲಿ ಡಿಡ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಅಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅದೇನ್ ನಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ ಬೇಡ, ಅದಾಗ ಅದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ಮಚ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ, ಲೈಕ್ ಹೌ ರುಕ್ಮಿಣಿ ಕೀಪ್ಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ ಆರ್ ಚೈತ್ರ ಕೀಪ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್, ಇವಾಗ ಆಗಿರೋ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್, ಯು ನೋ ಇಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲೈಕ್ಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. So when Love Mocktail happened, people went gaga over Nidhi and people still call me Nidhi. So I got that credit. Sikto. ನನ್ಗೇನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು.
And I think you also have to be realistic about it. ಇವಾಗ ಸಪ್ತಾ ಸೈಡೇ ಬಂದಾಗ I had no expectation. I still, at this stage in my career, I still have no expectation that someone is going to go watch a film simply because I'm in it. I'm too young in this scheme of things. I have not proven myself. Someone like Rakshit, ಅವರು in 12 years, ಇವಾಗ 15 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. 15 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೇಮಂತ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ, ಹೇಮಂತ್ ಸುನಿ ಡನ್ 3-4 now if you count Sapta A and B. ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Nobody has seen that standard from me. So I do not expect to have a contribution to box office success. I want to associate with films that are good and that hopefully have a box office impact. But I have no pretense about Rukmini cinema idale, I should go watch it. And I don't have that kind of expectation yet. I aspire to it, maybe 10 years from now or something, but I don't think, I think you need to be realistic about where you're at and
what you're aspiring to.
No, but when you see a poster, post release, when it's made good money, good cash registration, there'll be a hero poster and like, with remuneration, whatever it's earned, like. So,
but at that point, it's not really about, I mean, for me, it's not about having my face on that thing. I know I'm associated with that film and people who watch that film know I'm associated with it. ಆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಗೆದ್ದಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. I don't need the proof of like Priya's photo there. Like, okay, Manod one photo ಆಗಿದೆ, Priya's one ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ, with like how much we've collected.
She rightly said so because Priya's made that impact.
Yeah, emotionally she's had an impact. Yeah.
So I personally feel what we have contributed to the film, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ another person is playing, be it a man or a woman, and then when the credit is given to both, avaga yes, I would like that. I would like some credit.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಕೂಡ.
ಹೌದು,
ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದೀವ, ಎಸ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈನ್. ಆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಗೆದ್ದಿರೋದು ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಅದು. ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದೀವ, ನಾವ್ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡಿಸರ್ವ್ ಇಟ್, ಫೈನ್.
and sometimes I think even if you've done like equal again, ನಾವಿಬ್ರು act ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, let's say that's my first film and let's say I'm acting with Darshan sir, like ನಾನು ನೋ ಕಮರ್, ಬಟ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ದರ್ಶನ್ ಸರ್ ಗಿಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಖತ್ ರೋಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ದರ್ಶನ್ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪುಲ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಬಂದ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಚೈತ್ರ ಅವ್ರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ಗೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದರ್ಶನ್ ಸರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಶಿ ಸೆಡ್ ಅವ್ರ ಬಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಆ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೂ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಜನ ಓಕೆ ಒಂದ್ ದರ್ಶನ್ ಸರ್ ಫೇಸ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಲೆಗಸಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಿನೈ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಆರ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ 10 films old and there's a new other hero like hits his first film, probably ಅವಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಫೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಚೈತ್ರ ಅವ್ರು ಇದಾರ, ಓಕೆ ಐಲ್ ಕಮ್, ಇವ್ರು ನನ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೇ ಬಿ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಬಟ್ ಯಾ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ you can't expect that.
It's always an addition, it's added. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದ್ ಫೆಮಿಲಿಯರ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಟ್ಸ್
added, yeah.
ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸಬ್ರು ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ.
Yes,
ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಹಂಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈನ್.
there is a call for more diverse and realistic roles for women. in general, how can this be done to improve the representation of women in cinema? You think?
End of the day, it boils down to writers. It's
Yeah.
just writers. Writers have to write. Like ನಾನು ತತ್ಸಮ ತದ್ಭವ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ anybody would want to do that ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ she played roles, two characters, and she pulled it off extremely well. ಬರಿಬೇಕು. We have all are fortunate. ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಪಾತ್ರಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
And it's okay to write flawed characters. For example, our cinemadalli, when she's playing that drunkard, that's okay. Women drink, women smoke, or a man drinks, smokes. Adu tappalla andre, but like ಆತರ ಬರ್ದಾಗ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ತರನೇ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರು ಏನೂ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಆ ತರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪಾತ್ರಗಳನ್ನ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ like then there is like you can get whoever suits to that character and you have so many options. Look, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have so many options. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಕು, ಇವ್ರು ಇದನ್ನ pull off ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have options. So ಆ ತರ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ like
ಇಲ್ಲ, but my parents were upset. ಹುಡುಕಿ ಪಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. And few people are so innocent. I don't know if it's innocence, but ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಳು ಕುಡಿತಾಳೆ, ಇವಳು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಕೆಲವ್ರು ಅನ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ. ಕೆಲವ್ರು people consume films like that. There are few people. So ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್, ಈ ತರ ಕುಡ್ಕಿ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಇವಳು. I said, first of all, ನಾನೇ ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಆ ಪಾತ್ರನ. And upon that ಇವ್ರು ಬೇರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಕುಡಿತೀಯ ಸಿನಿಮಾಲಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕುಡಿತೀಯ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕುಡಿತೀಯ. I said, please watch the film.
My mother, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಶಾಕ್. I told I'm playing a sex worker in Sapta. She's like, huh? ಇದೇನಿದು? ಎಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ, ನೀನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಅಂದಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ. But I'm like, I'm an actor. Like I should.
But when you feel good ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, now audience ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, you have played a character and you have played it well, and when they appreciate for your performance ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, that's when you actually feel so good about it.
ಹೌದು.
That happened with Vijay Surya. He was watching Tatsama and then apparently he's gotten up and left because he got creeped out by my character in the film. So I was like, it's definitely a compliment, because if that is resonated to the audience, to our vandidikke andre, then the team has done a good job anta.
But as an actress, how do you contribute to this demand of being part of realistic roles?
Oh, we are there to contribute, you know, as far as we are getting such great characters.
Like these ladies have been, I mean, Milan ಅವರು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ that she had ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು reservations about playing a drunkard's character. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ and ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, you know. So Chaitra had reservations about playing a sex worker. I mean, she may have had them internally, but she went ahead and she did the role. So you have ladies like this who are making brave choices and presenting flawed characters. So I think each film as a character is written bravely and performed bravely and then received by the audience. It just adds to one collective bravery. Like I watch these kinds of roles now and I'm like, hey, okay, ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. It's a very collective kind of.
Actually, ಕೌಸಲ್ಯ ಮುಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ I always felt that premiere ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಮುಖ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋಣ, ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ. Because I know audience negative ಅಥವಾ grey shade characters ಹೆಂಗ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತು. Because I've seen Amrita facing that. That's what I felt. I don't want to say who, but I was watching the film. The person whom I know, the person whom I know really will calls me while watching the film and say, ಅವಳ ಆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೌಸಲ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಗಂಡ ಒಂದಿನ ಈ ತರ ಕುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
Yeah, that character has told stuff that in general anyone won't say to husbands.
But do you think female writers and directors have a better perspective of roles for women?
Absolutely. I feel ಒಂದು ತಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ I think it always gets better. And I'm also hoping for more girls. More girls, women writers, women technicians. I'm hoping for it. At least nan ads ella jaasti ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ few years back. Mumbai, Hyderabad ella there are actually a lot of women technicians and writers and ತುಂಬಾ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ actually ಕಮ್ಮಿ.
But why do you think there's no women directors? Like, You can't even count. There's no numbers to count also.
Probably because a lot of them don't consider it as a bigger profession. Because it's already ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರದಲ್ಲ ಗಂಡಸರ ಕೆಲಸ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Very few women are, you know, even open to the idea of becoming a DOP or a director or even to assist someone. Like ನಂಗೆ ತತ್ಸಮ ತದ್ಭವ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ there were like 3 female assistant directors, out of which one had to fight at home every single day to come and, you know, just learn the craft. So there are a lot of like any other profession, idin maadbada adan maadbada andaga, so people just assume that this is for men.
And also
it's
there's
not
so
for
much
women.
struggle. There's a lot of struggle Lily, to place
Yeah.
a find for yourself. So tumma struggle irutte. It's not safe.
Yeah, and yeah, you know, when you start off, it's not easy for it. Like, okay, even if you're working under a big director, being an assistant director or, you know, being the next level to the lead, it's not at all easy because you have to mentally be prepared to like do proper hard work. You're running around, you're thinking on behalf of the director, and you technically have to be 10 times more talented than the director if you have to be the assistant
But
director.
that's the
what I
drill alva. Andre it's not easy. Like you can't expect ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ನಿಂಗೆ ಪ್ಲಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀನು ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. You have to be that sometimes shameless, sometimes, you know, that ruthless. You have to be there. ಏನಾಗತ್ತೋ ಬರತ್ತೋ ಕಷ್ಟ. Of course it is difficult. It's not like easy for us also. ಇವಾಗ ಏನೋ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಮುಂದೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. There are times where we've also self-doubted so many things. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ probably ಅವ್ರ ಡೊಮೇನ್ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇರತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗದೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. But one thing that is common is that grit. ನೀನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ one day you will end up becoming wherever you know you want to, whatever you want to be. But ಅದಕ್ಕೆ time ಬೇಕು, test of time definitely. But how stubborn can you be?
No, Allah, but I also think there are logistical difficulties also. Just for instance, as heroines on set, there are certain luxuries that are made available for us. You know, like a restroom. It's a very simple thing. Nam night call sheet idre for shooting urache law. There need to be restrooms for if there are going to be ADs. I don't know the situation. I'm that uneducated about how that situation is, but there need to be restrooms available for people to use. You know, it's simpler for the men to a certain extent, but you know, how are these ladies going to get home?
Yeah, sometimes as actors, you'll have to take your car, ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
Yeah, I remember Birbal time ali, this lady was not a AD, she was my hairstylist. Aurge we dropped her home on the way back because I think there was a lot of confusion going on. But you know, it was a night call sheet. It was 3 o'clock in the morning. Papa aur mane keng hogtare. So you have to sort of pitch in and take care of one another.
So that's what I was about to say, safe and secure. Secure meaning to say ಒಂದು ಇದು ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಕರಿಯರ್ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಗಳು ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಹೆಸರು ಮಾಡೋವರೆಗೂ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ಅಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿವಿಲೇಜ್ಡ್, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯುನೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್ ಗಿವನ್ everything, all kind of facility, but other technicians anta bandaga you'll have to compromise on a lot of things. So I guess also from like say cinema hogta idini andaga okay, actors at least nam kelsa aache barutte, technicians andaga ondu I don't know how families are going to accept. Yes, and also I mean there are a lot of challenges is
it's like too many things. It's ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವಳನ್ ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗನ್ ಹಾಕೋ, ನೀನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಸರು ಬಿಸ್ತಲ್ ನಿಂತಿರ್ತಾನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಹುಡುಗಿಯನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ.
Like when they start a movie, they even think twice to hire a
yes because to having to take care of a woman on set takes a little more empathy, a little more, you have to be a little more sensitive, especially if she's a technician. I mean, you can't just
things are not changed, you say.
No, in our set, I mean, especially in SSC, we had female camera assistant, we had art department camera.
There are happening, and you have to adjust things. You have to make sure that there is a restroom. You have to be considerate. It's not impossible, but there's a slight shift that needs to be made, which is welcome.
It has to go hand in hand. Production house should understand.
Correct.
Like say probably if a woman is involved in a production house, they will actually make sure, you know, things are fine for women working on set.
Right.
And also, if any girl wants to be a technician, what I honestly feel is that they have to come prepared.
ಹೌದು.
Like in terms of whether you're ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೋ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೋ, all this matters.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಂಗೇನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಪುಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು.
True.
ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಇನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಂಗಾದ್ರೆ.
ಬಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ಗಳಿಗಿಂತ ಸಿನಿಮಾಲಿ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ.
Are you okay to go and check with the director? Will, like, certain roles, certain scenes you would have done, but if you don't see at the editing desk or while you're dubbing, you can ask. Are you allowed to ask the director, or do you go and ask them, check with them?
I think we should. I think, yeah, if you're watching a film, release agila, it's still editing table ali ide andaga, you can definitely question. I think that's the first thing women should do, which women don't, is question as to why is this scene cut?
Because
Or,
when it comes to you on narration, while they narrate, they'll give a flowery picture, but by the time the flower petals would have gone,
only the stalk would have been left.
But ನನಗೆ what practically works is what I feel is cinema take off ಆಗಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ, when you have a bound script, when you have certain scenes or particular scenes, I always have multiple discussions, because ನನಗೆ confusion ಇದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ I can't like perform, or ನಂಗೆ confusions ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Initially, yeah, I don't think, I personally don't think edit ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ somewhere directors will feel that interference ಅಥವಾ I don't know if many will like it. ನನಗೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನನ್ ಸೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ವಿಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ನೋ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ದು ಏನಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಅಂಡ್ as ಮೇಘನಾ rightly said, ಇವಾಗ ಎಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ I don't know how far. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಡಬ್ಬಿಂಗ್
The
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
leverage an actor has when it comes to post production of a film, I don't think an actress still has it. So it's like, yeah, the male lead will obviously get to know each and everything that's happening with the film, from the dialogues to the songs to edit to release yavaga agtide, ಎಷ್ಟು theatre ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ, everything pin to pin. But if you have played an equal role in the film, you will not get those information just because you are a hero. That still is happening.
But nam film like Hemant, I think he just follows some textbook. He's just doing everything right. There was this time when I finished my dubbing and I came. The scene was extended. At ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ edit ಆಗಿತ್ತು. So ನಾನು ಅದು ನೋಡಿದೆ, but I didn't. It was sitting well. So ನನಗೇನು matter ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. I came out and he was like, I don't know if you noticed, but that scene has been cut a little. I was like, okay. Then he's like, no, it's my duty to tell you that, I had to cut that because it is not sitting well. I mean, I saw multiple versions, but this version is the best. So that ಆ scene ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. I was like,
Very few directors and production houses
I
are
did not
actually
expect
open
this.
to discussing a film. No, not even explaining, discussing a film. It's like even one scene discuss ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸತಿ there is no give and take policy. There's only a give policy and you have to take it as
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ,
shoot ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. So like on set, see, just like a director or the producer, even actresses or actors for that matter feel, okay, this might not work with me as a person anta. But ಕೆಲವು ಸತಿ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, when you discuss that with the director, they will try to convince you and say, illa, this is what is best for the film. But eventually you have your own intuition ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇರಲ್ವೋ, ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, you voice it out. Sometimes it's accepted and sometimes it's not even heard. So yeah, they're offended. They're like, ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, you questioned me. Yeah.
Even sometimes even newcomers, I feel they get offended. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರು, ನಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you just do your job ತರ. They can't say it on a face, but ಆತರ
But I really feel there should be a dialogue.
I think,
why I felt this is because when we were doing Tatsama, there was a lot of discussions happening between the actors and the director and the producer, because we wanted the film to benefit out of it. It was not one individual benefit goskara alla. It's not like, okay, ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು. Because all of us had the same approach. We wanted the film to do well. So very, very, very few times something like that happens.
I always feel that it's the team. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ರ್ಯಾಪೋ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ, like say ಈಗ ಹೇಮಂತ್ ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ the same thing happened with Shashank sir. Shashank sir is actually senior director and I didn't expect him to be so flexible. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು sir I don't think the scene is working ಅಂದ್ರೆ let's rework on this dialogues ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ಗೆ I'm not comfortable putting it across ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ he was always welcome, he was always okay. Even when he was editing he said ಇದು ನನ್ಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ. And it's never happened that Shashank sir only went to Krishna and discussed. He also came to me and discussed. We were together. So I think it's about the rapport of the team and how comfortable you are anta.
But this was an instant thought. Do heroes call a shot about like the portions of heroines in the movie, the screen time? Have you ever come across?
Maybe it's happened. Ivaga,
maybe
ivaga
many
kammi
many
agirbodu.
years ago. Ivaga no, I don't think.
I don't know if in our experience, in my experience, I don't know.
But yeah, they have.
But
They had a say.
but I think for me, I have seen it gradually change. It's happened. It's
It's
changed.
happened.
Oh, you've
It's
seen it
changed.
and now it's
Yeah.
changed.
Yeah,
it's
it's
changed.
happened and it's changed.
I'm sure even Meghana would have. It's happened. It's changed.
See, and this is an observation you all have made, like, you know, OTT originals, web series, even serials, girls are dominating.
Serious
Really?
only girls are doing.
Yeah. But when it comes to silver screen, it's contrast. Do you think it's a different game when it comes on screen?
No, it's also because a lot of people, a lot of women are not coming out and making that time to watch films in theaters. It's that age-old problem is still there. A boy can just walk out at 10 o'clock and say, I'm going to watch a film randomly. ನಾನು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣನ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದೇ 10 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗಿದ್ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಬೈತಾರ. ಹಾ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಬೈತಾರ ಕಣೋ, ಯಾಕೋ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಕೇಳೇ, ನಾನು ಹುಡುಗ ಕಣೋ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. But if the same thing a girl does, if she wants to go and watch a film, ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಶೋ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾಗಿರೋ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರಲ್ಲ. So she can't go. So what happens is the number of women who are going to go and watch the film like decreases, and then they'll be like, okay, I'm going to sit at home and watch serials. Because adu nan manele kutಕೊಂಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ನೋಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ, that is there. So yeah, so it
That's amazing. This didn't strike me at
filmmakers,
all. It's such a logistical problem that affects.
Filmmakers are actually catering to their audiences rightfully. ಈಗ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಯಾಕೆ ಮೇಲ್ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮೇಲ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
it boils down to who's coming to watch your film.
and why are serials women dominated? Because they are sitting
Because
and
women are
watching.
sitting and watching serials.
It's as simple as that.
Yeah. See, if a boy goes and watches a film in the theater, he would want to watch something what he likes, and he probably likes
He
watching.
will root for the male character.
Yeah, exactly. Like how now we are rooting for women. I'm sure the men will do the same for them, and it's not wrong. It's not wrong. I don't think it is wrong. So, Iga, suppose if Rukmini's film's releasing, Milana's film's releasing, and if I don't go and watch, who's going to sit in the theater? I have to go and watch the film and say it's good. ಹಂಗ್ ನಾವ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ then there's obviously, times will change.
And as you said, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಮಿನೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗೆದ್ದಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಬಬ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದೊಂಥರ ಚೈನ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ. I think it has to, and the system.
That's the circle of cinema. It's like that.
Yeah.
So there's often discussion about salaries being paid more to the heroes, and heroines often get those peanuts. But what do you think? When a woman forays into the industry, she herself doesn't think about the remuneration. She just wants to be part of good film. Is that the reason they start thinking, okay, this is enough for me?
See, it's absolutely practical if you think about it. If a person is buying a ticket to watch their hero, how can I say equal ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಮೇಲೆ no, it's not. It's just what sells, right? End of the day, it's what sells. ಒಬ್ಬ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಯಾರನ್ನ ಅವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಚಿತ್ರ ಇದೇ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಒಬ್ಬ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ನಟನ ನೋಡಕ್ ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೇ ನನ್ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನನ್ಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನೋ. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ದ ಮೋರ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಯು ಆರ್, ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಯು ಮೋರ್. ಇಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಓಕೆ ಇವನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇವ್ರ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿ ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಮೇಕರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೇ ಯು ಆಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಆಸ್ ಯು ಡಿಸರ್ವ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್. ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸಕ್ಸೆಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ as that. I will never come out and say or complain ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. No, that's not how it will work. logistically or even practically that will not happen. And I mean, of course, I've produced 2 films and I know how it works. So
It's not about equal payment, beda, but at the same time, we know how much like work we are also putting in. So, adakke correct agi, I mean, whatever we are expecting, when you match to that, it's fine. I mean, that works.
Now Rukmini is popular. Like, so when they say, for your next movie, you will rise your salary or remuneration. So is it okay? It is okay, I think. But
I don't think at any point you expect it to match that of your leading man. I don't think that's an expectation, and I don't personally. I don't have, like Milana just said. It's about who's drawing people to the theaters. I am not doing that right now. I'm very happy that I found acceptance and that people like my performance and they appreciate the skill I bring to my work. But I am far from drawing people to theaters. I'm associating with good work. Like, I'm being careful in those choices. But in terms of, I don't know, bumping up your remuneration, I don't know if that's because we're all walking a fine line, Allah. We're working. It's an artistic pursuit, but we're also beings who have financial needs.
Pay your bills.
Like you pay rent, you need to buy groceries. You
the female
want to go on a holiday once in a while.
Female centric films box office al geddu cinema ದುಡ್ಡು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ probably a lot more producers will come and put money for female centric films, which is happening rare ivaga. That's also a challenge.
but that is very less in Kannada industry.
Ratio
That's
is
because women here do not come out
come
and
out
watch films.
theaters. Again, it's the same discussion, the
same
serial
cycle.
cinema discussion, the people coming to
Yeah.
theaters.
Like, how do you believe a success of a movie will bring you opportunities and also an added pressure? So how, as heroines, how do you go
No
about
pressure, first success barley.
Yeah.
That's the utmost requirement for every actor, I feel. Absolutely no pressure. You're actually flooded with opportunities. You'll be in a very good space. ಗೆಲುವು ಬಂದಾಗ ತುಂಬಾ opportunities ಇರುತ್ತೆ, options ಇದೆ, you can choose from. Pressure ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ದಿದ್ದಾಗ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, no, but just to add to what Milana ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, in the sense that we have to, I think at that point when your film is successful and you've prayed for it and you worked really hard, you have to kind of stay true to what it is that you want to build for yourself. Andre, what kind of filmography you want to build. If I now come out into the, like Meghna ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ, she wants that bubbly, she wants that fun girl next door, like why not professional, fun film, just to add to your kitty. So when you have that kind of vision, ಇವಾಗ ಚೈತ್ರ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ, like when you get a Sapta, you get a Toby, people see you in that space. And because it's convenient, they don't want to pull you out of it necessarily. So at that time, I think the only pressure I've put on myself, for instance, is to double down and be like, okay, what is it I want to build? I can do another 4 films like Priya, because people see me like that and they also know that it's worked. So they're like, till it stops working, maybe we can, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, or it may not be there also. But does that benefit me and the kind of legacy I'm trying to build for myself? So that's the only time you have to kind of hone in with yourself and be like, okay, if I enjoyed doing this, no problem, I'll do another 6 Priyas. But if I want to do some sort of Lara Croft type situation, ನಾನು ಆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ತಿರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. So you'll get offers, but you just have to sort of sift through it and see.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಒಂದ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನಿಂತೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾವ್ ಗೆಲ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್. One film is over, again you start from zero.
I know. ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಂಗೆ go like that. ನಮ್ದು it will come back to the same circle.
Okay, what next? Again from zero.
Like same effort, same everything. It's fun though. If you don't like it, I don't think anyone can do it. But we want to put ourselves out there and then do that.
Okay, if you want to, like, particularly, discuss about unconventional roles by heroines in the past, your favorite pick, if you want to, just to bring to the table.
ಎಡುಕಲ್ ಗುಡ್ಡದ ಮೇಲೆ ಜಯಂತಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ರೋಲ್. ಅಯ್ಯೋ,
I was just thinking about that. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗಲ್ಲ, like a few minutes back when we were discussing about ಆವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಬರೀತಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ. Yes, that one. ಶರಪಂಜರ, ಅದು ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಪೂಜೆ, all these I have watched because my mother has always said, ಈ ತರ ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಈ ತರ ರೋಲ್ಸ್, ಆ ತರ ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಸೋರು ಯಾರು ಇವಾಗ?
But why don't we get those kind of scripts today? Why are not people writing those scripts? Is it because again we'll go back to the audience? The audience might not like it. They might like it, but people
They will watch something like that on OTT today, but they will not come to the theater to watch it. That's the biggest problem.
they don't like sad movies. I mean, hardly we see comedy movies. But actually, even women in comedy movies are very less.
Yeah, that is also true.
ಅಗೇನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಯಾರು ಬರ್ದು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
That's also because regional comedy the kind of comedy probably women want to be seen in is very different. Regional comedy becomes more of distorted facial expressions, making a fool out of themselves, and which we also do enjoy watching on screen. But women like doing comedy like it has to be classy yet comical. That's difficult. And that only a writer can do if you write something like that.
Or you should have great actors like Umashri ma'am, like who ಈಗ್ಲೂ ಬರ್ದಾಗ you like wow, you know,
Yeah, you have to be open about it, you have to be broad minded, you have to take it like as you rightly said, ಇವಾಗ ಸಾಧು ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಪಾತ್ರಗಳನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಯಾರೋ if a woman is doing it, I don't know, ಈಗ ಮಾಡೋರು ಓಕೆ ಇರೋದು it's different thing. Now audience how they're going to, you know, react or take it. ಇವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ there's so much like body shaming, ಅದು ಇದು racism, ಅಂದ್ರೆ I don't know, it's way too complicated. I feel for any writers to also write.
And with the comments that ನಾವು ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ರೂನು ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು
ಆತರ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ.
You didn't have you have a pick, any portrayal that you
I mean, not one specific portrayal, but I've always been a big fan of like the way Malashri ma'am's career is sort of panned out, you know, with the kind of work she used to do, and then that pivot that she made towards action was so cool. You know, like that to take on that kind of genre and to be the face of that kind of genre as a woman, as someone who was doing, you know, more conventional roles and then pivoted to this, I thought that was always really mad and like solid action, you know. So
Shruti ma'am also, from playing all that, you know, that sad mellow, then she got into you know, fun scripts, and then now again serious. So there's this
See, like in Ramashama Bama Ali, Shruti aunty, she's done a comical the essence iruanta one role that is so fab. Andre, who's going to write like that? See, she doesn't have to do something antara cringe tara enu madilla avaru, but you love watching her. So that's the kind of comedy probably I would want to do someday.
Nilana, your pick?
ನನಗೆ I am a big Lakshmi ma'am fan. So I don't know, I just love her, and I would want to do more roles like what she's done. And Malashri ಅವರು ಅವ್ರ ಕರಿಯರ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥ ಪಾತ್ರಗಳು, ಅದೇ ಪಾತ್ರಗಳು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಅಂಡ್ ಶೀಸ್ pulled it off amazingly. So ಅವರಿಬ್ರು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕರಿಯರ್ ವೈಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಹೌ ದೇ portray themselves on screen. And Lakshmi Amma is like a style icon. ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ I don't think
so pretty.
ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಆ ರೀತಿ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನಾನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. So
there's one more film, Benki anta, which my mother had done. Benki. So I think avrige adike state award bantu. That's the kind of role probably I would like to play.
Do you believe heroine success in male dominated films signals a shift in storytelling, like the preferences and the impact on future narratives? How does it signal for a better narrative?
It gives you when you're watching, I feel nange yadadru one cinema nodbekadre, I like films with many characters in them. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೊತ್ತು ಆ ಗಮನ ನಮಗೂ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ಡಿನರಿ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್. ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್, ಐ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಅ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ವಾಚ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್, ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಲೈಕ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡೇ a small aspect of larger than life add ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. And that comes that will only come when there are a lot of characters, and every character go ade other importance kotta bandre it's like when you're watching a film antara one complete film ansate. It's, you know, even if it's like for example like Saptali, even though Rukmini and Rakshit have stolen the show, there are also many other characters in the film which you will still remember when you know, when you walk out. So it's like jail sequence ಅಲ್ಲಿ the villains, all the villains. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ರಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಬ್ರು ಉಳ್ಕೋತಾರಲ್ಲ, so there are these characters is it's still running in your mind. So I like films like that with many characters and they all add to the story, they're not just there.
For me, who's this? Along with Krishna, Namma, Yuritrala. Nagbhushan. That character actually made it.
Love mocktail ಅಲ್ಲ?
Illa.
ಕೌಸಲ್ಯ.
It was really good. Because he added that he was a lighter side. Otherwise, the movie would have become very serious.
ಹೌದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ನರೇಟಿವ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗಿಂದ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅಂಡ್ ಶಶಾಂಕ್ ಸರ್ ಬೋತ್ ವರ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ದಟ್ ನಾಗಭೂಷಣ್ ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅಂಡ್ ನಾಗಭೂಷಣ್ had worked together in Lucky Man. ಸೊ ನಾಗಭೂಷಣೇ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿತ್ತು. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನಾಗಭೂಷಣ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್. ಲೈಕ್ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಶಾಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಫ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವೈಸ್ಡ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ವರ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಕೃಷ್ಣ, ನಾಗಭೂಷಣ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಘು ಸರ್, ರಂಗಾಯಣ ರಘು, ನಮ್ದೇ 4 ಜನದ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ವಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ನಾವು ಸೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವಿ ನ್ಯೂ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾವು ಸೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿ
second half first.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Oh, then he took the makeover agi ಆಮೇಲೆ he.
ಸೊ
For you, you have experience, because when two characters have the same weightage, the strong narrative.
I think the thing that was really nice in my experience to see that was how audiences respond. So now, like we were talking about serials and films and how, you know, women prefer serials or women have more access to serials and that kind of thing, or less access to films, and that determines what kind of stories are told in which place. I think Sapta Side showed that even if the narrative takes the lead of the female story, follows that for more time, because that was some of the feedback we got from a lot of people, that ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಮನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಂತ. ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಜನರಿಗೆ ತಾಗಿದೆ. You know, they still made an emotional impact. So I don't think people should have that fear that, you know, if we don't follow the hero, you won't invest in the hero's character. ಆ ತರ ಭಯ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, because Sapta Side showed us that. And I think for that kind of thing to happen, you need a director who has enough vision in that story, and a hero who's secure about his role, and he's not like, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಕತೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ರೋಲ್.
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ. ನಾನು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಜೊತೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಳೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ,
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್
ನಾನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಏನೋ ದಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ, ಫ್ರಮ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ, it makes huge difference while watching the film, audience ge.
Yeah, and here Toby also, Jenny had so much to offer, you know, to the story Toby ginta. So that's how he had written. So adu, when you have that banter, like very nice banter, avag tumba khushi agate to even perform or to watch. ಅವಾಗ ಓ ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಟೋಬಿ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇವಾಗ ಅವಳು ಜೆನ್ನಿ ಒಂದ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ರೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗೆ, ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ನೈಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಏನೋ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಏನ್ ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಅದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ
when Toby fell in love, Toby love ಆದಾಗ ನನಗೆ I was feeling bad for Jenny. ಇವಳಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಅಂತ.
I know, yeah.
But also in Sapta, like we'll always say, you know, okay, she brings a turn, she brings a twist anta. Yeah, every time I was discussing when Sapta 1 came up, what will be Surabhi's character, because we had just a glimpse. So it's always like, even if it's a small, like, you know, the screen time is very short over, but still the importance of a woman in that movie, it completes. That is your character in Surabhi.
And everybody rooted for Surabhi so much, and I felt happy about it. I was like, yeah, okay.
Now individually, again back to Rukmini, you have worked with Ganesh starting, Srini, then Ganesh, then Dakshit Shetty, then you have Vijay Sethupathi, then Shivaraj Kumar, and the list goes on. But is there anywhere, like, you know, you want to get back to work with newcomers and focus on content where you can take charge?
I don't think I would think of working with newcomers as taking charge. I don't know. See, Again, I think it all depends on the content of what we're doing. Even the films like even Bhairati Ranagal, which I'm doing with Shivarna, of course, working with Shivarna is a huge thing for me. Like that's half the reason I said yes. The other half is Nartan sir's story. So it's still going to be if it's a story I don't understand or that I don't feel I can contribute to in any capacity, I don't know yet whether I can be a part of something like that. Even the film with Vijay Sethupathi, with Vijay sir, it's a fun comedic kind of film. I'm pushing myself as much as an actor. Even getting to associate with brilliant actors is one thing, and directors, but I'm pushing myself as an actor. So if I come across a film that is with newcomers but is an amazing opportunity that will push me creatively, certainly.
We also have like working in big production like Hombale for Bagheera also. That matters, like working in a big production house.
I think associating with good work matters. So Hombale is making beautiful work. They're making work that's very different from the kind of stuff that I consume. But I want to be associated with it anyway. I'm a rom-com love story kind of girl. I'm a comedy, like that's the kind of thing I gravitate towards. I watch everything. But I personally like that kind of thing. But when they're making such excellent, technically brilliant work, I would be a fool to only work in the kind of thing that I want to watch. I want to work in a massive film which an entirely different audience is going to watch. If I'm not good and I get that feedback, then I will, I might, think about it and come back to a phase where I'm good, a space where I'm good. But until somebody says, "Beda madam, idella maadbedi madam, chanagilla."
Okay. So Meghna, like this is your second innings. That's with Tatsama Tattava. And for an actor who has worked in multilingual films, will you get back working or will you concentrate on female-centric films? Or you fulfill your...
I want to fulfill my
That is one
dream.
there.
That dream. I want to do films which are not categorized as woman-centric or a male-centric film. I just want to do films. Adralli, anyone can be the protagonist, anybody can be the antagonist. For me, it just has to be, ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋನ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ದ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್, ಯಾರು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾರು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾರು ಹೀರೋ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೋಪ್ಫುಲಿ ಅದಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
But about your like going to other languages, you get back?
I would love to do Malayalam films again. That is something I've taken so much from that industry. That industry has given me so much. In fact, if Meghna Raj is popular today, it is predominantly because of my work in the Malayalam film industry. So I would love to do Malayalam films again.
Coming to Milana, like working with Krishna, he's also a fine actor. Do you think results in higher success rate than that?
It's all about the film, as in the film content and the story. I mean, whether it is Krishna or not in the film, nanige what matters is what I am playing in the film. At least after seeing, these many years in the industry, nanige what I feel is that one cinema madadmele, cinema theatre ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತ ಅಂತ ನನ್ಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ಬಾರ್ದು. That's the utmost priority ನನಗೆ. I should feel happy about doing that film. ಅವ್ರು 1 ವರ್ಷ ತಗೊಂತಾರೋ 2 ವರ್ಷ ತಗೊಂತಾರೋ ಅಥವಾ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಕಾಯ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. I should feel proud of the film. I don't want to just keep doing films.
You get professional work when you just see him as an actor.
Oh, with respect to Krishna, yes. Even when Kausalya happened, since we had Love Mocktail 1, 2 and then Lovebirds, we were not planning to sign anything together because we were writing Love Mocktail 3. So, ee time al bandiddu Kausalya and we didn't want to do the combination. It was Shashank sir who actually made me do it, honestly. So, but patra chanagidag enu madakagalla. Whether it is Krishna or somebody else, you don't know.
Right.
Whether you leave the film because it's the same combination. I mean, I feel today it is stupidity. You rather go with the character you want to play. ಆ ರೀತಿ ತಗೊಂಡದ್ದ ಸಿನಿಮಾ. But yes, I mean, priority is doing films which have greater characters, and I want to feel proud of doing that film because we are investing so much time on a film. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
And that exists in perpetuity, Allah. Like people will go back, like how we were talking about Malashri ma'am's work or Lakshmi ma'am's work. People in 70 years might go and watch a film I'm in. Like, what do I feel about that?
That's huge. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪಾತ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಓಕೆ ನಾನೊಂದು 50 ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೂ, ಜನ ಸಿನಿಮಾನ ನೋಡಿ ನನ್ನ ಪಾತ್ರದ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರುತಿಸೋಕು ತುಂಬಾ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಸೇ ಆ ಪಾತ್ರ ಲೈಕ್ ಈಗ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮುತ್ತುಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಅಂತ ಜನ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಪ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿಯಾರಿಟಿ. But somewhere it's always like, survival agate. Sometimes you want to keep doing films. As actors we improvise doing films. Andre jana maritare. You can't take that gap, that huge break. That's always something which I don't want to do. But priority is to, play greater roles.
Today you're a writer along with Krishna. You're a producer. You're an actor. So, baaki irodu direction.
Never. I don't think I'll ever get into it. Because Krishna is a fabulous director, and I don't know, he has it in him. I'll only observe and follow as to what he's doing, but I'm good at handling production. That's what I would love to do, other than being an actor. But priority is always being an actor. If I am shooting, we'll probably not do the schedule or push the film. But yeah.
Coming to Chaitra, we have already seen you in realistic roles. And
I also
you
want
only
to do that.
No, I want to, if somebody says, okay, if somebody says be part of a commercial pot boiler.
I want to. I mean, I've never said no. Just that they've not convinced me. There were scripts that came, and I was like, why am I doing this? They didn't have a justification. If you say this is why she's doing this, I'll be very happy to wear a bikini, walk on the beach just like that for a song. I'm ready. So yeah.
Okay. To end up, I'm taking forward 2024. So what is in store from all of you? If you want to just share. Make things brighter.
ನನಗೆ 2 ಸಿನಿಮಾ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಗಿದೆ. One is Aram Arvind Swamy, probably will release first, and then For Registration. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ since we are writing almost towards the end of writing 3, will take off.
So, nice.
That's a good thing. Rukmini has a lot of stories.
I guess Bagheera will come out in 24. Date in Bandila ina, but Bagheera will come out. My film with Vijay sir will come out. So I'm excited. That's a comedic. Andre nan jasti comedy illa, but it's a comedic film which I've not been involved in yet. So I'm excited to see all of that. Yeah. But yeah.
Tell us, what have you signed? That's important.
Nothing new, ma'am. There's just this, but I'm very excited to see what female characters come out this year. I think 23 has been great in showing us that. So what does 24 have to show us?
Meghna?
I have Amartha coming next year with Srinagara Kitty. I think it's very different from Tatsama Tadbhava, and it's very different from my previous films. This film is light-hearted. It's something you can just relax and watch, but you will leave the theatre, with a heavy heart. So that's the kind of a film. And I'm listening to a couple of scripts. I may not be able to sign as many films as the girls here, because I have a big production at home called Ryan Raj Sarja, so he takes most of the time. So I'm hoping some good films next year. At least nodakadru sigate.
I mean, I have no preferences whatsoever. Nanige ella tarad roles madakku ishta. I want to be that cute bubbly girl. I want to play a mature role. I want to play a small girl. I want to play everything. So I am ready to transform my body to to suit to all of these genres, and I am looking forward to see yaar ಏನೇನ್ ಕತೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, so that I can adapt to those stories. So yeah.
But ಆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ my god,
Jenny ಅಲ್ಲ,
I'm bored. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ತರ ಪಾತ್ರನು ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹುಡುಗಿನ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಸಕ್ ಯಾರು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ಅದನ್ನ the way you pulled it off is fantastic.
Thank you.
So happy to hear this. It's like more getting a commercial blockbuster. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And have a wonderful 2024. We'll
You
get
too.
back. Me to exclusive news to me. Okay? That's important.
Yes.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you so much.